We will learn about the test, or in this case, we can take some tests on how to use the Rscript inside Power BI. Okay, so the first, so there are two objectives for this video. The first one is just to take the test, and the second one, if you don't, you are unable to take the test in with Power BI and our script, then how can you install them install the tools? Okay, so let me go to the Power BI screen here. So this is the Power BI screen, and then we can start the test. So the first step here is to the histogram test this picture for Power BI. So just run the histogram command in here and then produce the picture like this. And if you can successfully produce the picture, then mean they're done. Okay, so uh, let us take the step, right? So in here, you can see there's no data in this Power BI workbook. The first I need to copy this one to produce the data. So I copy this lorem table, and then I will go to model and then new table here, and then paste the table inside and enter. So this one will give me the table in here with one column and one value only. So this table is it just it's nothing. It's just for because later if you want to open the Power BI the script view here, you need to enable the script and then you need to put something inside this box before you can edit. So if without this table, then you cannot do anything. So I need to put the random value in here, and that's it. Okay, so the first step. The second step is to type this command. Okay, so type this command. So I just copy, I don't have to type. And then over here, I can paste this one, and then I run the test. Okay, so if you see the picture in here, it just means that your R script is running inside your Power BI already. Okay, so this is the picture, and then you are done with the first test. Okay, if you cannot, then the first thing you need to check if you type it wrongly or you copy it wrongly. So let me give you example. For example, if I somehow I type this one wrongly, this for example, this one I type wrongly the G in front and I run it, and then this one it doesn't show the picture, and then in here you can see it say that this function is cannot be found, so because you type it wrongly. Okay, so make sure that your typing is correct and then running. So the second one would be if you type correctly, but then you haven't linked your Power BI to the R script. Okay, so in order to solve this one, you go to File and then go to Option and Setting, and then Option, and then R script. It will show me you the option, and in which R scripting is one of the option. And if you see the R home directory here, then meaning that you are done already. Okay, so you can choose to browse here. But if the last reason is because you have linked already, but the folder is not there anymore. So for some reason you linked already, but then you delete the folder, then it doesn't work also. Then you have to install. Okay, so you have to install Rscript again. Later I show you how to do that. So that's the first test in this case, and you go to the second test, which is to test for the ggplot library. The first one is just to do the same thing with this lorem table, but because we have done already, so I will move to the second one. Okay, so I just copy this one over the Power BI. here, and then you can put this one next to each other. This table is the first, and then this table we would use the another one in here. Okay, so again one more time. So in order to enable this view, you have to put some data in the view, and then now I can edit already. So after I edit this one and I run the workflow, then it will give me the picture like this. Okay, so if you want to uh, write something on the title, you can use the gg title uh, done, for example. Okay, so after this you run, then the word done is here. Okay, so that means that this um, mm, ggplot tool is in your computer, and then it can be run or it can be used under Power BI as well. So if you fail to do that, and then you need to check in the list here. So the first three is the same as the above, but the last one will be the install package. So you need to install this one as well. So normally, if you want to install this one, you have to install outside Power BI, because inside Power BI, if you install in here, for example, it is okay for the small task, for the small package in which you have you need to wait like for a few seconds. But if the big one, and then it has a lot of packages, and then dependency as well, so it has to take like few minutes to download, and then Power BI will queue the process. So when it detects like the process take too long to download and everything, it will kill it. So it won't will be helpful if you run the installation inside Power BI in here. Okay, so yeah, so that's it. So for the second test. So after you see the two pictures like this, then you are done with the test already. Let me copy the this one in here to replace the old code, because I think the code here is does not include the title. Okay, so this is done, but then if you cannot run the Rscript, then you have to follow this instruction to link the Power BI with Rscript. That's the first step. If the Rscript is not there in the first place, you have to download the Rscript from here into your computer, and then you install it first. Uh, okay, so before you download anything, this is it's called the cyber security. Before you download anything to your computer, or or your personal computer, or your company computer, you have to make sure that the source is safe. In this case, I copy from the Crane source, which is very safe already. But it just you have to double check yourself before you do anything. Why? Because sometimes I also make mistake, or sometimes when I introduce to you the moment I introduce to you the source is safe, but then a few months later some people attack the source, and then they introduce the malware into the system, and then it becomes not safe anymore. So uh, uh, downloading is easy. Everybody can download. Just click on the link and download. But then you have to be aware that the source can be very dangerous to your computer, and then you need to check the source first before you download anything. So in the in the big company, small company, I don't think that there will be, but in a big company there will be an IT cyber team in which they will verify the link for you, and then you can, if before you download anything, you just ask the team, oh, this is this safe to download or anything, and then they will tell you, and they will help you to navigate around with the security stuff. Otherwise, it will be very dangerous. Okay. So again, one more time, if you want, if you don't have Power BI in your computer, you can download from here as well. But just before downloading anything to your computer, just verify the link first before you can do anything. Okay. Now, there's one thing you need to remember, the difference between this link and this link. Okay, so I will in Google Doc, I can just make the link like this, and I will edit the link. I will edit the link below. Okay. Then okay, danger.com. Okay, apply. Okay, so now the what you read here is the Microsoft link, but then when you click, you will go to the danger.com, which is may or may not be the danger's source, but I think it's some kind of misleading or something is very fishy here already. So you have to be careful as well. So if you click on, if you copy this one, and then paste in your browser and then go to the site. Let me do it. Copy here, and then you go to your site and then paste in here. So it go to the site, and then you are sure that this is the one you actually want to download. But this one, if you click in here, it will go to the dangerous sites, and you don't know. So just be careful before you click on this thing, because it it may not be the link in the link in here is just like some text in order to to trick you into clicking. Okay, so that should be careful. Okay, let me delete this one. I won't give you anything like with a link like that, and then you happen to click in the wrong place. Okay, so just to be careful. Okay, so that's it for this video. So after this, I hope you can take the test for Rscript inside Power BI and ggplot inside Power BI, and then the next thing you can do is just to do the normal data exercise inside Rscript and Power BI. If you cannot take the test, and then you know how to scroll down to the second part, and then you install the tools in your computer to take the test.